Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to add weight to a product in your Shopify store, which is essential for accurate shipping rates. First of all, log into your Shopify store. Click here, enter your email, skip all, next. Once you are logged in, go to the Products tab from the left hand menu, click here, then click Add Product, or find the product you want to add weight to and click on it. This will take you to the product editing page. Scroll down to the shipping section. Here you will see an option for weight. Enter the weight of the product in the appropriate field. Then make sure you select the correct unit such as kilograms and pounds depending on how you measure your products. Once you have added the weight, click Save at the top right corner to apply changes. And that's it. You have successfully added weight to your Shopify product, helping you set up accurate shipping rates. Thanks for watching.